A mirage, you say, Dick Weatherman. A mirage? Seeing the Chicago skyline from across Lake Michigan on the Michigan shoreline, 60 miles away. A mirage? Dick Weatherman?
This from the Lake Michigan shore. We talked about this last night. Conditions are right on the lake. We're actually seeing a mirage of the Chicago skyline. Very interesting. Here's what's happening. This is a good example of a superior mirage. So Joshua was on the Lake Michigan shore. He was looking towards the west, and Chicago's beyond the horizon. Should not be able to see it. However, with the right conditions, we have an inversion. We have cold air near the cold lake water and some relatively warmer air above it. This will bend the image.
If it was an inversion, like a normal superior mirage, the skyline would be upside down, wouldn't it? Wouldn't it? I talked about it earlier with a horizontal crease because there's a glass sky, but seeing the Chicago skyline from that far away has to do with the fact that light is bending and it varies in its curvature from different times of the day depending on the conditions. Okay, a little graphic at the top left here shows you the difference between if light were straight at the bottom on a convex ball and there's a cutoff, how they normally describe why a ship disappears at a distant horizon. The hull disappears, but light has been proven to bend with experimentation. You're in the concave ball earth, and what's going on is light is bending like that and it's clipping it. See the top part of that illustration there? That is what's really going on, but at certain conditions, whether it has to do with temperature or sunlight or time of day, the amount of curvature will vary. And so sometimes when the conditions are right, we're able to see a very long distance. They call this looming. Looming. Okay, it's not flat. Already busted flat earth theory. Stuck a nail in its coffin, in its flat coffin. It's done with. The only logical alternative is concave spherical earth. And so that's what's going on here. And that's why things get clipped in the distant horizons. Because light is bending. You still have this the blind spot beyond the boat, below the blue line there. Alright. Alright.